AutoCAD software. So first you go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So go to limits. So go to lower left corner by default 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. So then zoom, enter, all enter. So go to line, select some point on the lower left corner of your sheet and click on the first button of the mouse and move the mouse in the right direction, right side, and again take some distance and click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse in the upward direction and click on the first button of the mouse. Then go to offset, take the distance as 297, select this vertical line and offset to the left side and take 210, select this horizontal line and offset to the top side, then go to zoom extend and zoom 0.6x, then go to fillet between these two and this fillet between these two lines, and similarly fillet between these two lines. Then go to zoom window, select this and go to D-text. So specify start point of text here and take the height as 4, rotation angle as 0. Take 113, problem number 113, a pentagonal lamina having edges 25 mm is placed on one of its corners on HP such that the surface makes an angle of 30 degree with HP and perpendicular bisector of the edge passing through the corner on which the lamina rests, appears to be inclined at 30 degrees to VP. Draw the top and front views of the lamina. Go to zoom previous, go to zoom window, then go to layer and here click on new, type XY and press enter, click on new, type views, then set the layer 0 line weight as 0.05 and set the layer XY line weight as 0.13 and set the layer views line weight as 0.5 and say OK and then say close the layer command. So go to polygon and here take 5 and edge. So first end point of edge and take the distance as 25. Then go to move, select this and move it to the top, convenient distance, and go to line and draw a line. Take intersection part of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take intersection part of this to perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Similarly, then you go to break, select this, take first point, take intersection at the right. You select this line and these lines, go to CH and go to layer, take this as views and switch on the LW layer line weight display. Then go to copy, select this entire thing by window, take convenient distance and click on the first button of the mouse, and then go to rotate, select this horizontal line and then go to end point of this. Rotation angle in counterclockwise direction is positive and take 30 degrees. Then go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line and take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this. And now fillet between these two. Similarly, line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, intersection of this and say perpendicular to these two. Then go to fillet between these two lines. Similarly, go to line, take end point of this and draw a vertical line, take intersection part of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take intersection of this and perpendicular to this. And go to fillet between these two. then go to extend this line till here, then go to line, take intersection of this and intersection of this, and take intersection of this and take intersection of this and take intersection of this, then go to break, first point, take intersection of this and say at the rate, again break, first point, intersection of this and at the rate, similarly break, first point, take intersection of this and say at the rate. Now you select all these 5 lines and go to layer and make this as views, then go to group, select this entire thing in the window and say accept, then go to line, intersection of this and draw a horizontal line, similarly take line, take intersection of this and take XY line, then go to copy, select this and copy to some convenient distance in the third position top view, then go to rotate, select this and take intersection part of this and the rotation angle as -30 because I want to rotate in clockwise, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, select this and take it and place it wherever you want, then go to put the ortho mode on, take line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to line, take intersection part of this and draw a horizontal line, take int of this and take perpendicular to this, similarly line, take intersection part of this and perpendicular to this, then go to fillet between these two, similarly line, take intersection of this and draw a horizontal line, take line int of this and take perpendicular to this line, and similarly line int of this and take perpendicular to this, then go to fillet, then go to fillet between these two lines, and similarly then go to zoom window, take intersection part of this to intersection part of this and intersection part of this and intersection part of this and int of this, then go to break, select this line, first point, intersection at the rate, similarly you select this line, you select this line and you select this line and go to layer, make this layer as views, similarly you break this on this side, similarly previous, then go to this and break it on this side. Now we will go for this line and take this layer and make this line as XY, then go to TDIM, then go to modify, go to primary units, make it as 0, then go to lines, take the offset from origin as 3, symbols and arrow size as 4, then go to text height as 4, centered is above, aligned with the dimension line, so take this as 3 and say OK and say close, then go to dim aligned, select between these two, you take 25 mm and dim angular, select between this line and this line, you make it as 30 degrees, dim TED, select this and take it here, and then dim angular, select between this line and this line, you make it as 30 degrees, then dim TED, select this and place it here. Now we go for the text command, so go to the text, put the caps lock on, type X, you type VP, you type HP, and here you type Y, put the caps lock off, small a, B, C, D and E, similarly A dash, and here it is P dash, here it is C dash, here it is D dash, and here it is E dash. Then go to zoom window, take near to the screen, then move, switch off the ortho mode and place this wherever you want. Go to VP and here you type HP and move it appropriately so that you take A and here you take B, here you take C, here you move it to D, and here you move E, you take A dash, you move B dash and move D dash, then go to copy, take A dash and place it here, copy B dash and you place it here, and you take E dash, you type it here, copy, you take C dash and you copy it here, and D dash, you copy this here. Similarly, copy, take A will come here and this A will come here. Similarly, B, you take this B here, and similarly, and this B will come here. Then go to C, you select this and you type it here, and also you type it here. Similarly, D, you copy this here and also here. Copy, you take this E and you copy it here and also here. Then go to D text. Here you type A dash, here you type B dash, then this is C dash, this is D dash, and this is E dash. Then go to move, take A dash and place it here, then go to B dash, you place it here, C dash, place it here, then go to D dash, and here you type A dash. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing. Then go to zoom previous, then go to save, go to appropriate drive and the directory, go to lamina drawing, here you type P113 and save it, and finally